Discord was never a platform that people could use to make money. It was always just a chatting app that people used to talk to friends or find people to duo with on Fortnite. That all changed in 2022 with the rise of Andrew Tate and his Hustlers University course. Hustlers University brought about a new era of money making. People realized that just by making a simple course and marketing it through rapid growth platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts, they could make bucket loads of dough. In this video, I'll show you how you can do exactly that and scale it to 10K a month in no time. Phase 1. Starting your brand. The two apps we'll be using for this are TikTok and Discord. Think of something you're good at and think you can teach others relatively well. If you can't think of anything you're good at, go on YouTube, think of something you'd like to learn, and learn about it. You can't make a course about something if you don't know anything about the topic, but by watching a few YouTube videos and putting aside a bit of time for research, you'll at least have some knowledge to go off of. Now that you have a skill in mind, it's time to create your TikTok page. Think of a name. It doesn't need to be anything fancy, but it should be short and sound nice. For the logo, you may use one of your own, or you can go to pinterest.com and search for one. Make sure it is unique and not some other company's logo.
Nice.
Now that you have your TikTok page, you need to build your Discord server. Designing a business server could be a whole video in and of itself, so I won't be covering that here. I'll put some links in the description for free tools that you can use to make your server just that much better. I even use these myself. You won't be making your actual course until phase 3. For now, just fill the server with free to access information. The whole point is to give away as much for free as possible to build a sense of trust between you and your members. If your members trust you, they will be more inclined to buy whatever it is you release later on. TikTok only lets you put a clickable link in your bio when you have 1,000 plus followers. So until then, people will just have to type your server invite link into Google themselves. With that in mind, use a URL shortener like bit.ly or dsc.gg to make your link short and easy to type. Phase 2. Getting traffic to your server. This is the easiest part of the whole process. It's simple. 2 TikToks a day for 30 days. Search for your skill and see what kinds of TikToks do well in that niche, and copy them. Don't be discouraged if your page doesn't do well after the first couple weeks. I've had pages blow up in the first week of posting, others that took a couple weeks to gain momentum. If the algorithm sees that you are a consistent poster, will favor you more and show your videos to more people. You have to keep going though. Don't give up after only a few fails. Also try to space out your TikToks. At minimum 2 hours apart. Anything less than 2 hours will decrease the number of views you are bound to receive. This rule stays even after you delete an upload. For your TikToks, quality beats quantity. Sure, you can post more than twice a day, but just make sure your quality stays the same. 2 good uploads are better than 5 bad ones. Phase 3. Launching your course. Once you get to around 10,000 members, you can start making your course. Build your course into your server. Use private categories so that your members don't see it. Don't make it too long. The longer the course, fewer people will use it because it's so intimidating. Once you have your course, you need to set up a payment system so that once people pay, they will receive a role in your server and gain access to the course side. For this, we will use WAP. Go to wap.com and create an account. To integrate WAP into your server, add their Discord bot and go to your dashboard. Here, you want to make a new product and fill out all the required fields. Just keep in mind that WAP only works with Stripe at the moment. This is an issue. You may use other payment processors like Upgrade.chat. You have a course, you have a payment system. Now what to do about pricing? Your price should be sub $10 a month to start. Remember in phase 1 how I talked about gaining your community's trust? This is why you have to price it as cheaply as possible in the beginning. $3 a month, $5 a month, cheap prices will get more people to buy. The more people buy, the more reviews you'll receive and the more people who actually believe in your product. These people will then spread their positive views on the course to others in the server, making an endless loop of buyers. An important thing to note is that the minute you release your course, you should delete the free info channels that you set up at the start. Now that you have a course and an accepting community, you won't need to give out free info anymore. Over the next few months, as you gain more and more members, you may up your price. Phase 4, the last phase, turning this whole business into easy passive income. The only real issue you have now is your TikTok page. You constantly upload to it to ensure new members. To resolve this issue, we will be creating an affiliate program. Your affiliate program will be a system where people can sign up to promote your Discord server. By now, you must be making some money. You can afford to lend out some of the money you make to your affiliates in exchange for them to do all your work. The best way to do this is to implement an invite reward system. For every 100 100 invites, you pay the affiliate a certain amount. The amount you give depends on how much you're currently making, how many affiliates actually sign up. As for the sign up process, you can just make a new Discord server with the same name and logo as the main server. By doing this, you'll also be making a little hub for all your affiliates. They'll be able to discuss methods of growth that they found success in with others, help new affiliates start gaining traffic, etc. Now you know exactly what you need to do to start making $10,000 a month passively on Discord. It's important to trust the process. Good things never come easy. There's virtually no room for failure if you follow each phase perfectly. I'm going to be posting more simple, low-key money-making methods just like this one in the future. Subscribe or don't. It's up to you.